Welcome to Notion and Productivity, where Productivity HQ. Getting organized in your life with Notion. I know a lot of times Notion can be complicated, but this is the simplest way to go about doing it, especially if you're just getting started or if you're a person who likes to keep things simple and you don't want too many things on the screen and you want to stay focused on the task at hand. So let's jump right in. As you can see, we have daily, weekly, and monthly, and these little buttons here. So the settings with these buttons that I've created for you guys, as soon as you click the button, like it says here, a whole template that's already pre-made will populate for you. So let's go ahead and click on this daily plan. Once you've clicked on the daily plan, it will open up this full schedule for you by the hour. You have a today's mantra, to top priorities, to-do list, and a daily reflection, and then you can add your date in here. And the great part about this is when you're done with this, you can go ahead, highlight it, and just delete it. Simple. Saves you space, time, paper, money, everything. The same thing for the weekly plan. I'll show you guys that really quickly. And another thing that you could do is also just create a folder, and just if you want to keep track of the things that you've been doing day by day, you can have a folder that you actually create for yourself and just drag and drop after you highlight it and put it into that folder if you want to keep them so you can reflect on your year. So for the weekly plan, you have the same thing, but the difference is it has the days of the week here, and then it also has a habit tracker, so you can track your exercise, your water intake, maybe a book that you're reading, anything like that. And you can also just change it here. I have a tutorial on my page of how to use Notion and how to actually get started, so you guys can actually learn and see how to adjust these certain things. But right here, if you just click on them, you can go ahead and change what these columns actually say for you, just like that. So right here it says rename. You can go ahead and rename for whatever it is. And then even if you wanted to have two different trackers in here, you'd go ahead and press the 6 dots at the top, press duplicate, and then it'll be there with you. And if you want to duplicate with the content or without the content that's within it. Scrolling down, you have the notes section. Also, say for example you want to have a reminder for yourself, because the great part about Notion, and especially how this template I made is how it's set up, is that it's streamlined, so it's not on multiple pages. Since it's all on one page, you'll be able to actually use this and see this easily on your phone. All Notion templates are accessible on mobile, but at the same time, when you have so much going on, it's harder to see, but not with this life planner. So scrolling down a little bit more to the monthly plan, we have right here the calendar view. So with the calendar view, the neat part about this is Notion has already came out actually with a Notion calendar app, and I'll be dropping a video pretty soon on the Notion calendar app, so you guys can actually really see how to utilize it in the different settings that comes with the Notion calendar. But this Notion calendar also syncs to the Notion calendar that's on your life planner. But if you aren't using Notion calendar yet as an app, you can still have your day planned out here. To get started with getting organized, start with the small things first. It doesn't have to be too dramatic. Getting organized doesn't have to be complicated, so let's just keep it simple. This is the best way to go about it, especially if you're new to Notion. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this, and if you guys feel like you'll start using Notion now that you guys actually have this as an option and you see how simple Notion can be. So thank you guys for watching. Check the description for this planner and leave a like and subscribe. See ya.